Don't worry about subscribers. A lot of people are just so worried about subscribers and it sucks your YouTube channel. This is your YouTube journey. You don't need to worry about subscribers. Yes, it is good for you to have all of that subscribers that you need, especially when you want to monetize. In today's video, I'm going to give you full details of why subscribers should not be your first goal for you to pursue. There are a lot of things that you should put into consideration during your YouTube journey process instead of thinking about subscribers. And those things are what I'm going to be discussing in today's video. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe with Sonia, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do what subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other persons to get this good news. With that being said, let's just go into my A lot of us worry about subscribers, and of which I don't think is wrong. It is right. But as a small creator or as a new creator, like us, you don't need to worry about subscribers. All you need to worry first is watch hours. You know why? Once you have the audience to build your watch hours for you, your subscribers are definitely going to come. Exactly. Just imagine you have just one viral video. That viral video can give you a lot of subscribers that you cannot even imagine. The truth of the whole matter is the amount of subscribers does not equate what YouTube is actually going to pay you. It does not mean because you have a lot of subscribers on your channel, you are going to be earning high. Some persons might have the amount of subscribers that I have, and then they are not even making anything at the end of the month. And some persons might have less amount of subscribers, and at the end of the month, they are getting the jackpot down to their house. When it comes to YouTube calculation of revenue or what makes you to stand out there and make more revenue on your channel is the quality of videos and the value that you bring to the table. So if you upload a videos and advertisers are not finding it friendly enough for them to place ads on your videos, definitely you are not going to be making any money. Imagine you having 100,000 subscribers, and at the end of the day, you post a video, you are just getting less than 800, less than 1,000, or you're not even getting views at all. And imagine someone with just 1,000 subscribers putting out videos on their channel, and those videos are getting 3,000, 5,000, 10,000 views. Who do you think among these two persons will be making more revenue? The person with the small subscribers. When it comes to YouTube algorithm and YouTube revenue, I repeat, your subscribers count is seconded to nothing. Yes, it is a very good idea for you to get your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch hour. Once you are fully monetized on the YouTube platform, the next thing for you to do is to look for ways that you can actually triple your watch hour. And how do you triple or double this watch hour? Through you producing videos that have good qualities, good sound, good value, and then people are going to watch, engage to make YouTube algorithm know that something is happening here. So if you are all bothered about subscribers, at the end of the day, you might get the subscribers and you're not getting the coins down to your table. And that will make you feel more frustrated. That is why in the video I did about getting your 1,000 subscribers, I said it's pop and plain. I said once you get your 1,000 subscribers, stop doing whatsoever you are doing on that video, even if it's short or the comment section, anything you are doing. Now your focus now is getting your 4,000 watch hour. And once you get your 4,000 watch hour, your next focus now is how do I strategize my videos? How do I make my videos out there? Are my videos searchable enough? If people are searching for something on the Google search, Chrome, and the rest of that, will my video be able to pop out there? How do I get my videos to also compete with a lot of content creators out there? This is what I want you to do instead of worrying about subscribers as a small YouTube channel. Once you get your channel monetized, now look onto or look up to those big subscribers that you love so much, those ones that are your idol. Take, for example, if you're doing vlogs, for example, look up to those categories of people that you love watching their vlogs as well, and then do a vlog relating to what they are doing. Once you do a vlog relating to what they are doing, once their vlogs are being popped out, YouTube will be able to recommend your vlogs beneath theirs. And in as much as you're doing this, whenever you want to title your videos, check how those people are also titling their videos and work with the way they are titling their videos. I'm not saying you should go and copy their title back to back or do exactly what they are doing. No. But trying as much as possible for your videos to be able to fit in those class of people that you are also creating content at their niches. So if you are a lifestyle, you check for lifestyle. If you're a tutorial channel, you check for tutorial. If you're a YouTube tutorial channel, you also do that. And once you start doing this, it will enable YouTube, as they are recommending those big YouTubers' videos, your videos will also be recommended beneath it. There are a lot of people that whenever their videos is recommended, my video is also recommended beneath it. And there are also small content creators that whenever my videos are being recommended on YouTube, their videos is also recommended on beneath it on my videos. That's why if you go to your YouTube studio analysis, you're going to see people that the audience that are actually watching your videos. So who are those audience? The next thing why I said you should not focus on subscribers is focus on what your people want, focus on what your audience wants. What kind of audience are you building? What do they want? What is their needs? Trying as much as possible to film videos that is relatable to any kind of niche that you are performing. Film videos that people can watch there and then relate directly to your story. And once you are doing all of these, subscribers will come at the end of the day. Subscribers should not be your main pursuit. Subscribers should not be your main focus. The only time I will love you to fight for subscribers and which will not exceed 1,000 subscribers is as a new creator if you have not gotten your first 1,000 subscribers. Once you get your 1,000 subscribers and then you get your 4,000 watch hour, focus more on your videos, how to upgrade your videos in different aspects, how to upgrade the quality of what you are bringing down here. One particular video has given me over 6,000 subscribers and still counting. And definitely one particular video as well can give you even 100,000 subscribers. So instead of putting your direction of you just want to get more subscribers accumulated on your channel, some persons went to the extent of buying subscribers to their channel. At the end of the day, they are not going to watch you. Use the little 1,000 subscribers that you've gotten, the little 1,200 subscribers that you've gotten, build a community around them, build a community that trusts you, build a community that rely on you, build a community that love what you are doing. And in building that community, try in as much as possible to bring value to the society. A lot of people don't want to watch what will not add value to them at this point of their life. So don't focus on subscribers. I have friends that have over 100,000 subscribers, but I will not be mentioning name. But at the end of the day, she keep telling me that she can't even get just a simple $50 in 3 months. So what is now the point of getting all of those subscribers if you cannot even get $50 in 3 months? These are what even small channel of 1,000 subscribers, small channel of 2,000, 3,000 subscribers are even meeting up to their threshold of $100 and above. And you with your 100 subscribers, you cannot even get that. I felt so bad for her. honestly. But when I checked the procedures, how she got her subscribers and every other things, I just told her that she now needs to limit some of these things that she's doing in pursuit of subscribers and focus more on how to upgrade and build her audience to love what she's doing, to rely on what she's doing, and then to do what? Watch what she's doing so that she can have money. I can bet you that 99% of subscribers that are actually watching each of your videos that you upload are not even your old subscribers, they are new subscribers. So that is why sometimes you see a channel with 100,000 subscribers, they're not even getting up to 10,000 views, 50,000 views, 20,000 views. So your focus, if you want to make it on this YouTube streets at the end of the day, if you want to be bringing that coins every month to your table, your focus should not be on subscribers. Your focus should be your content. Your content is the bomb out there. It is very sweet for you to bring a 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes video that is really, really engaging, catchy, can bring people down to you, than bringing 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 50 minutes, and even 40-minute videos that people are not even going to watch up to 2 minutes or 3 minutes, and of which you're killing your audience retention. So, your focus as a new YouTuber, as a growing YouTuber, should not be on subscribers. Don't focus on subscribers. I hope this video is able to help anyone out there. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I'll be answering. You guys know that I engage more in the comment section. And if you have any video you want me to do for you, also let me know. You guys know that my job here is to deliver as you request. So thank you so much for staying stick and hook with me to the end of this video. And yes, if everything that I've been saying is making sense to you, let me know in the comment section that Sonia, you're making sense, and I'm grateful for this. And with no further ado, I do like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye and I'll see you guys in my next one. Lastly, don't focus on subscribers. Focus on what will bring the money to your table. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.